How to add someone on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can add someone on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To add someone on WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp application. WhatsApp works based on your contacts. So if you want to add someone to WhatsApp, you have to make sure that you add them in your contacts on your phone. And you also need to make sure that they use WhatsApp, because if they don't use WhatsApp, then you can of course find them on WhatsApp. So what you can do is, after you open up WhatsApp, tap on the chat icon from the bottom right, and then here you'll find an option called new contact. So tap the new contact option here. All you have to do is make sure to enter their first name, last name, their phone number. You can save the contact to your email or your phone, and then just tap the save option to save the changes, and once done, you can add these people in that way. This way you can add someone on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.